Best practices for Google Analytics tracking code is crucial for accurate data collection and analysis. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and obtain the tracking code. This code is a JavaScript snippet that you will place on every page of your website to track user behavior. First, you need to understand the different types of tracking codes available. The most common is the global site tag, which is a single snippet of code that tracks all interactions on your website. You can also use the Google Tag Manager, which is a more advanced tool that allows you to manage multiple tracking codes and tags. When placing the tracking code on your website, make sure it is located in the head section of the HTML, just before the closing head tag. This ensures that the code is executed as soon as the page loads. You should also ensure that the tracking code is on every page of your website, including any subdomains or subfolders. One of the key concepts in Google Analytics is the concept of views. A view is a way to segment your data, such as by country or language. You can create multiple views in your Google Analytics account, and each view will show you a different subset of your data. For example, you can create a view for your US traffic, and another view for your international traffic. Another important concept is the idea of goals and events. Goals are specific actions that you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Events are specific interactions that users have with your website, such as clicking on a button or watching a video. You can set up goals and events in your Google Analytics account and track how often they occur. In terms of best practices, it is essential to test your tracking code regularly to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use the Google Analytics debugger to test your code and identify any issues. You should also ensure that your tracking code is secure by using HTTPS instead of HTTP. Additionally, you should avoid using multiple tracking codes on the same page, as this can cause conflicts and inaccurate data. You should also avoid placing the tracking code in iframes or other embedded content, as this can prevent the code from executing correctly. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics tracking code is set up correctly and collecting accurate data. This will allow you to make informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy, and improve your overall online presence.